Hey family, so I want to do a little word search and figure out why they choose to use the words that they use, like monster. Alright? So, it might sound like it's petty, but it's not, because Babel is the lingo that they use. They've taught us to use in the language. Alright, so monster, we know it says inhumanely cruel or wicked person, brute, fiend, beast, devil, demon, barbarian, savage, animal. Informal is swine or pig. Now, what I like to do is I like to break the words and separate them. Like, okay, let's go with mon. Okay. A member of people who's inhabiting parts of the southeastern, so we know what we're looking for. Okay. Okay, we got mon, Monday, syllable. Or symbol, excuse me. Prefix, mon, one alone, single, monorail. So we know mono is, one. So what if we just go with the sound of what mun sounds like, which is a U and then an N. Mun. Look what we get. Model United Nations, also known as Model UN or MUN, is an educational simulation and or academic activity in which students can learn about diplomacy, international relations, in the United Nations. Well, so that brings us to the UN, which we already know what the UN is. If you don't, do some research. Steer, they're showing gangster. Is that a coincidence or what, family? Denoting a person engaged in or associated with a particular activity or thing. That's why they chose that word. Give me a comment and let me know what you think. You think it's a coincidence or not? Love you guys.